Caleb Beevler here, standing in front of an absolute legend, the Boston Whaler 170 Montauk. This is the highest quantity sold boat of all models, all brands, all time. I think it's saying something with an absolute legend that is, unsinkable. We're foam filled up the gunnel. You could cut this sucker in half, and both husband could fish off the front half, wife could motor around on the back half, and both would still be safe. And our vessel life preserver here, both would still be floating. This one specifically is absolutely loaded when it comes to a utility boat. We've got multiple upgrades that I'll run through a little one by one here. The most important reason I think a lot of people love the 170 Montauk is it's simple. A single or two people could easily get the boat in and out of the water. It's easy to keep clean, it's easy to use, it's easy to get into shallow water. It's plenty capable to keep you dry in not so favorable water. You can run the boat offshore, you can fish it, you can beach it, you can really do everything in an affordable, smaller package, as well as fit it in a single car garage. This boat specifically was ordered with the teak platform, or the swim platform with the teak upgrades. You can see it here on the swim platform as well as the gunnels. We work our way into the boat and we can see that we are powered by a Mercury 115, so we are upgraded to the larger motor. Whether we want to get there faster or get there with a little bit more hole shot, we've got it. We've got the backrest that slide into the rod holders here. If we're fishing and we don't need as much seating, we could easily take these out, stow these at home, and have our rod holders at the back. We need more comfort. Bam! We got it. We've got the low profile stainless bow rails. We've got the silver logos with the chrome Boston Whaler logo. Low profile rails up into the flip-flop lean post seat. You do have a bait well below that. That 316L stainless shows that we can do lounge fully retracted, so we can sit all the way down and use a backrest. We click up a seat there, and you can actually use it as a lean post when we put it here, so we can stand and have something hitting us right in the back, or be rear facing, whether we're using the boat for power sports, we're trolling and fishing, or just want to be looking there at the rear. Going up through the console, and we've got a Ray Marine 7-inch GPS fish finder already installed. We've got sonar already installed, radio with JL audio speakers, inside easy console access, the battery switch and the bimini boot, bimini cover. We've got comfort and to get out of the sun and have some shade, be out of the water longer and enjoy the boat longer. Cooler seat forward to live well with backrest on the rod holders. You've got grab rail around the windshield here. Optional bow filler cushion could be added, but we do have our fish box as well as anchor locker and pre-rigged for trolling motor. The boat itself is just well laid out, well thought out. A boat this size, to think that it took almost 18 months to develop an existing boat that was already running, helps you really consider what thought was put into this boat. From something as simple as the anchor fitting perfectly inside the anchor locker. I do believe they actually paired with the anchor company to make sure it was designed around that and fits in there and it's not going to be tore up. To the wider Boston Whaler smirk that keeps us dry in nasty conditions versus a traditional center console being just skinny V and not having that flare. A lot of people are astonished at how stable the Montauk is, which is why it has its popularity, but also why it's so dry. That smirk we have from Boston Whaler and that wide flare is what keeps the boat stable and dry. You're dry, you feel better. You're happy, you're on the water. We've got swing away galvanized trailer with a swing away tongue. This one already has the spare tire mount up on the front right side. But we're ready for action. We've got a Boston Whaler 170 Montauk. Quick little recap. MarineMax Panama City Beach. I'm Caleb Beevler. If you want to get on MarineMax.com and take a closer look at all of our other boats from 13 feet to 17 feet to 40 feet to 42 feet, we've got it. You've got 67 some odd MarineMax locations for multiple inventory options as well as servicing locations. You've got our YouTube channel. And if you want to like, subscribe, or engage, or even call us, you could reach us at 850-708-1317. Come get your own 17 Montauk. Make sure your kids understand that you love them and let them be raised on a Boston Whaler. Come out and see us. Thanks.